Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Our Facebook ad series is going on. If you want to watch the whole series, you can come to our channel and watch those videos from here. Okay, so in today's lecture, we'll show you how to write high converting ad copies for Facebook ads. So without any further delay, let's see how we can do it. Okay, so first of all, we need to come to the ads manager section for writing ad copies. Okay, so if you come to the ads manager, then you will see three options available here. One is campaign, then ad set, and the last one is ad. So for writing ad copies, I'm going to click on ads. So if you scroll down a little bit, then you will see some of the options. Okay, so you can see we have media, primary text, and headline and descriptions for writing ad copies. Okay, so I'll show you how to write high converting ad copies in this video. Okay, so for example, I'm going to be advertising for this landing page, and this landing page is basically used for still detailing services. Okay, so I have researched all the necessary ad copies for this landing page. If I try to show you, then you can see I have written 5 primary text and 5 headlines for this landing page. Okay, so if I try to show you what I have written in my ad copies, so you can see over here as the primary text one, I'm using elevate your structural projects with Mastro Style Detailing. So Mastro is our brand name, so I'm mentioning Mastro Style Detailing in my ad copies. So you can see over here Mastro Style Detailing, this is our brand name. Okay, so what you can do, you can mention your brand name in the ad copies. Okay, then I'm using looking for steel detailing services that guarantee precision, efficiency, and cost savings. So I'm using a question in my ad copies. So what you can do, you can ask question related to your services in the ad copies. Okay, then you can see over here at Mastro Steel Detailing, we specialize in transforming your structural projects into works of excellence. Our expert team ensures that every detail is meticulously crafted to perfection from design to fabrication. So I'm mentioning what we are doing or what is our expertise in the ad copies. So you can also mention what you are doing, what is your expertise in the ad copies, like me. Okay, then I'm using why choose us. So you can mention some of the unique selling propositions or USPs or features or benefits of your services in the ad copies, like this. Okay, so you can see over here error-free plans, faster fabrication, on-time project delivery, expertise in steel detailing. So you can mention some of the USPs of your services in the ad copies. Then I'm using with our proven track record and dedication to quality, you can trust us to take your steel project to the next level. Okay, then I'm trying to use my track record or my quality or my trust in the ad copies. Okay, so what you can do, you can use your proven track record, testimonials, client reviews in the ad copies. Okay, and you can see over here ready to learn more, click the link below to explore our services and see how we can help you succeed in your structural endeavors. Okay, so you can give your service page link in the ad copies, like this one. Okay, so I'm using this service page link in the ad copies. Then you can use don't settle for less, choose Mastro Steel Detailing for the precision that matters. Then I'm using a strong call to action like this, contact us today, and I'm providing my phone number. So you can also use this formula or use these tactics. So you can use a strong call to action, and if you're providing services on phone calls, then you can give your phone number over here. Then you can see over here I'm using my main website URL over here. So what you can do, you can put your website URL in the ad copies. So this is how you can write a high converting primary text. Okay, so if I try to show you in the second primary text, I have used the same formula. So you can see over here, precision is still detailing at its finest. When it comes to still detailing, there is no room for error. Trust the experts at Maestro Still Detailing to deliver flawless plans that bring your structural projects to life. Then I'm using some of the benefits or USPs of our services like accurate detailing, faster turnarounds, industry expertise, tailored solutions. Okay. Then again, I'm using my service page link in the ad copies. Similarly, I'm using a call to action called call us, and I'm providing my phone number and website URL over here. Okay. Similarly, for primary text tree, I'm using the same formula, like I'm giving my website URL, call to action. I'm mentioning some of the USPs of my services, what we are doing. Okay, so you can use these techniques for writing primary text or ad copies. Okay, so if I try to show you what I have written in the headline, so as I already told you, I'm going to be advertising for this landing page. So I'm mentioning still detailing excellence as headline 1, then elevate your steel project as headline 2, precision steel detailing services as headline 3, expertise in steel detailing as headline 4, and precision matters in steel detailing as headline 5. So basically, I don't use any descriptions in Facebook ads copies. Okay, so if you want, you can write descriptions as per your requirements. Okay, perfect. So the first thing I need to do, I need to provide an ad image. Okay, so I have already created an image for this landing page. So I'm going to click on add media and I'll click on add images. Just wait a little bit. So I'm going to use this one as add image. Okay, so I'm going to be selecting 1:1 recommended. Okay, then I will click on done. Then you can see over here we're using this image. Okay, so as the first primary text, I'm gonna be using this one. Okay, so I'll copy the first primary text from this section and I'm going to be using this one as the first primary text. Okay, perfect. And as I already told you, I'll be using 5 primary text and 5 headlines. Okay, so I'm giving more data to Facebook so that Facebook can optimize my campaign properly. Okay, then you can see over here, you can add multiple text options and we will show one of them to each person based on what they're most likely to respond to. Okay, I'll click on add text option. Okay, so as the second primary text, I'm going to be using this one. So I'll copy it from here and paste it over here as the second primary text. And I'll click on add text option again. And I'll go to the translate section and I'm going to be using this one as third primary text. So I'm going to be copying this primary text from here and paste it over here. Okay, perfect. Then if I scroll down a little bit, I'm going to click on add text option again. And we're going to be entering this one as fourth primary text. So I'm going to copy the whole text from here and I'm going to be using this as fourth primary text over here. And as the last primary text, I'm going to be using this one. So this one will be used as the last primary text. Okay, so I'm gonna copy it from here and paste it over here. Okay, perfect. So we have used 5 primary text. Now we'll be using 5 headlines. Okay, so I'm gonna be collecting all the headlines from this section. So the first headline I'm gonna be using is still detailing excellence. So I'm gonna copy it from here and paste it as the headline 1. And for headline 2, I'm gonna be using or clicking this option, add headline option. Okay, just do it a little bit. Then as the second headline, I'm going to be using elevate your steel project. So I'm going to copy it from here and paste it over here. Okay, and I'll click on add headline option. So I'll copy all the 3 headlines. So as the third headline, I'm going to be using precision steel detailing services. And this will be used as third headline, and as fourth headline I'm going to be using expertise in steel detailing, and as the last headline I'm going to be using precision matters in steel detailing. And if you want, you can use descriptions as well. Okay, so I don't basically use descriptions in Facebook ad copies. So you can see over here how our ads will be looking like. Okay, so you can see over here, this is the primary text, this is the headline. Okay, so if you want to see the advanced preview, then you can click on this link. So I'm going to click on advanced preview. Then you can see how it will be looking like for news feeds, Instagram feeds, marketplace, then video feeds, Instagram explore, so then stories and reels, Facebook stories, Instagram reels, okay, Facebook reels. Okay, so you can see the preview of these ads. Okay, perfect. Then if you want to share this ad to your client, then you can click on the share button, then you can click on share a link, then you need to enable this link sharing option. Then you can choose either of these days, like if you want to select 30 days or if you want to select 60 days, you can do it. So for example, I'm going to be selecting 60 days. Then they have given us a link. Okay, so I'm going to copy the link, and if you want, you can give the link to your client. So I'm going to enter the link. Just wait a little bit. So this is basically the preview of our ads. It is loading. So you can see this is the preview of our ads, and this link will be expired in 60 days. Okay, so if you want, you can share this link with your client. Okay, perfect. And if you click on these 3 dots, then you can expand the link or expand this. You can see the ad preview for mobile feed, and you can see the ad preview for desktop feed as well. Okay, just wait a little bit. So this is for the desktop feed. Okay, if I click on see more, then you will see the more options. So analytical growth, educational consultant. Okay, then if I click on mobile feed, then you can see the mobile preview of this ad. Okay, perfect. So this is how you can, and by the way, you can use the call to action. So if you want to use different types of call to actions, you can customize it from here. So I'll keep it as contact us. If you want, you can give call now, download, get direction, get code, get show times, learn more, listen now, order now, request time, see menu, show, shop now, sign up, subscribe as per your requirement. So I'll keep contact us. Okay. So this is how you can create a high converting ad copies for your Facebook ads. Okay. So yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully you have liked our video. If you like our video, then you can subscribe our channel, follow our page. You have a good day. Bye bye.